Hello everyone, I'm Srimati Anita Alkunde here to teach you communication skill which is prescribed for your 12th standard new portion. Just now this year we have framed or the HSC board have framed new portion for 12th standard. And in that new portion that you have a different topics to study there. Just like a mind mapping, as well as drafting virtual message, group discussion is there, summarizing, note making, these topics are there. So writing skill is most important. Through writing skill, we are expressing ourselves, we are developing our skills there. Our written writing skills we are developing through these skills there. So this is most important that we have to focus on it and we have to learn it. What are the tacts of it there? How to present it there? We have to learn this. So today, now see that in 11th standard already you have been taught expansion of idea, blog writing, emails, interview, film review, the art of comparing, appeal leaflet, letter writing, and report writing. So these all you have studied here in 11th standard. Now we are studying this year a topic summary writing separately. Actually, you are familiar with this topic, how to write a summary. But in detail, we are going to learn that here, how to write a summary. Now let us see what is summary writing. A summary is a record in a reader's own words that gives the main points of writing, such as newspaper, article, the chapter of a book, or even a whole book. Summary writing is what is here. Yes, suppose whatever you are reading, suppose you are reading a news article or a chapter of a book or even whole book. What do you do there? You never explain to somebody else, or when you want to explain it to somebody else, that you don't tell that whatever everything is in that article or book or that chapter. You just tell highlights of it or the core part, main part of it there. So that you are telling that main part means it is what that the summary writing. तुम्ही जेव्हा एक समरी रायटिंग काय आहे तर एखाद्या वाचकानं केलेल्या एखाद्या न्यूज आर्टिकल म्हणा किंवा एखाद्या पुस्तकातला भाग असेल म्हणा किंवा एखादं पुस्तक असेल तर त्याचं संक्षिप्त जे लिखाण तो करतो थोडक्यात मेन पॉइंट्सचं तर त्याला आपण समरी रायटिंग म्हणतो. A summary omits details and does not include the reader's interpretation of the original. What is actually summary? Yes, we omits their details. Details means explanation. Omit means we delete, or we can what that avoid. We avoid all the details or the explanation, whatever is given in that chapter or article or book or whatever the passage is provided to you. And does not include the reader's interpretation. We never include our own opinion, our own thinking. इथे समरी रायटिंग मध्ये तुम्ही जास्तीचा जो भाग असतो तो आपण काय करतो की काढून टाकतो, आणि जो वाचक असतो तो वाचक स्वतःच्या मनाचा काहीही भाग समरी मध्ये किंवा सारांश लेखनामध्ये तो ऍड करत नाही. नाउ here see that summary means what is actually. Whenever you read lesson or you read a story, or you can say that all of us like to see movie. Whenever we read a story or lesson or see movie, we never tell that story or that lesson just as it is, the lesson is written, or just as it is, the whatever the movie we have seen. We never tell to other people that saying dialogues or everything there, or the villain's action, heroine's dialogue. We never do that there. What we do there? Yes, we try to tell that all things in short. We try to tell that all things in short. Means whatever the lengthy part is there, that lengthy part we are shortening. जो मोठा भाग आहे तो आपण छोटा करतो. एखादा पिक्चर किंवा एखादा धडा वाचला असेल किंवा पिक्चर पाहिला असेल तर तो आपण जसंच्या तसं समोरच्याला सांगत नाही. आपण काय करतो तो शॉर्ट मध्ये सांगण्याचा जो प्रयत्न करतो. म्हणजेच आपण काय करतो, वी आर टेलिंग देम द कोअर पार्ट, झिस्ट, मेन थिंग, गाभा जो आहे तो सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असतो. दॅट इज कॉल्ड व्हॉट? समरी. नाउ हाऊ टू राईट समरी रायटिंग. How to write summary writing? Yes. Write an introductory sentence that state the topic of the summary. Please write the introductory sentence. की वाक्य एखादं असं की प्रस्तावना स्वरूपात असणारे एखादं स्टेटमेंट जे आहे ते स्टेटमेंट त्या ठिकाणी काय करायचं, लिहायचं की दॅट स्टेट द टॉपिक ऑफ द समरी, की तो समरीचा टॉपिक असेल त्या ठिकाणी. Suppose you are writing about deforestation and you have asked that, suppose the passage is in that passage explained about planting of tree as well as deforestation, but you have to be asked to write about deforestation and its demerits. So how do you will introduce the first sentence? Yes, this is a passage about demerits of deforestation. Okay, or you can say that it is about deforestation. Turn the main ideas into sentences using your own words. Means whatever the passage is provided to you there, you take out, you keep aside that main points explained in that passage. You can combine some of the main ideas into one sentence. दिलेल्या पॅसेज मधनं तुम्ही मुख्य ज्या कल्पना आहेत ते बाहेर काढा, मुख्य मुद्दे बाहेर काढा, and you can combine that main ideas. त्या आयडियाज ते तुम्ही एका सेंटेन्स मध्ये सुद्धा कंबाईन करू शकता. Not necessary that you can combine it in a one sentence, that you can do there. We can, if you have a more main ideas, that you can make a 2 sentences, 3 sentences by adding the 2-3 ideas together. Now, what the do's of summary writing? Keep in mind that the do's of summary writing. While you are writing summary, that you have to keep these all points in mind there. Before this, explain this mind, I want to explain to you there. Summary writing means not a 1/3 part of a passage. Summary writing म्हणजे एखाद्या पॅरेग्राफचा 1/3 भाग नव्हे. हे तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना सांगणं गरजेचं वाटतं. So many people, they think that it is a 1/3 part. No, it is not a 1/3 part. It is whatever the main ideas are discussed, you are taking out that main ideas and forming a short paragraph. ज्या मुख्य मुद्दे डिस्कस केलेले आहेत ते मुख्य मुद्दे तुम्ही बाजूला करून त्याच्यापासून एक छोटासा पॅरेग्राफ करता. तो छोटासा पॅरेग्राफ म्हणजे समरी रायटिंग आहे. नाउ व्हॉट आर द डूज आर देअर. मग समरी रायटिंग लिहिताना कुठल्या गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवल्या पाहिजेत? रीड अँड रीड अँड अंडरस्टँड. रीड इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स, वाचा आणि पुन्हा वाचा आणि समजून घ्या. रीड इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स, माहिती जी काही प्रोव्हाइड केलेली आहे ती. Suppose that you have given a passage and you have to be asked that write a summary with the help of the given passage about the demerits of deforestation. Means what is the instruction is there? The instruction is that write a summary writing. About what? About the demerits of deforestation. Okay. की demerits deforestation चे काय आहे त्याच्यावर आहे. So read the given passage to find out. Now, what the passage about? What the passage is about? Passage कशाविषयी आहे? Try to find out there. Means you try to understand that through by reading passage you will come to know that what is the subject is discussed. What its tone is there? त्याचा tone काय आहे? की त्याचा सूर काय आहे? You can understand. What type of writing it is there? You have to see that. Find what exactly you need to see. Means whenever you are writing summary, what actually you want to write, you think about that. काय लिहायचं आहे याच्यावर विचार झाला पाहिजे. आयडेंटिफाय आयडियाज थ्रू प्रोसेस ऑफ आस्किंग क्वेश्चन्स. And how to find out that ideas there? Ask a question to the passage there or whatever you read there. What is main point? What is the passage about? Passage कशाविषयी आहे? So तो passage ला question विचारा. Then you will get the main ideas there. Form short sentence of your own. तुम्ही स्वतः वाक्य तयार करा. स्वतः means what is there? You don't add your own ideas. तुमचे स्वतःचे आयडिया नाही ऍड करायच्या. With the help of the points whatever you have taken out from the passage. Passage मधनं बाहेर काढलेल्या जे काही शब्द आहेत, जे काही मुख्य मुद्दे आहेत, त्या मुद्द्यांना सेंटेन्स मध्ये फॉर्म करायचं. Connect the sentences using linking words. What you do? That you connect the sentences using the linking words. Whatever the linking words are there in English, use that linking words to make sentences. Remove redundant and select key sentences there. What do you do there? Whatever the unnecessary part is there, which is not important, you take out from that passage there and you select key sentences. Key sentences means what is there? The main ideas there, whatever the discussed in it there. की सेंटेन्स म्हणजे काय की मुख्य जी काही वाक्य आहेत ती सिलेक्ट करा आणि त्यातले मेन पॉइंट्स काढा. ओमिट डिटेल्स अँड एक्स्ट्रा एक्झाम्पल्स. So many examples are discussed in the passage and so many explanation is there. You avoid that explanation and you avoid the extra examples. या सगळ्या गोष्टी अवॉइड करायच्या. अवॉइड युअर ओन इंटरप्रिटेशन. रिमेंबर इट. तुमचं स्वतःचा ओपिनियन किंवा इंटरप्रिटेशन तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी लिहायचं नाही. Now, what are the linking words are there? Now, the linking words are like such as, such that, either or, both and, neither nor, hardly had, scarcely when, though, although, as, instead of, and, with, but, or. Such a kind of words you can use and can form sentences and can connect the sentence to each other. Means you can make, with the help of this linking word, you can form simple sentences, complex sentences, or compound sentences there. So usually compound sentence and complex sentences, by using these sentences, you can make your summary. Or you can use a simple sentence also that those students are unable to write by using such a kind of word there. But it is possible for you. Means if there are the more ideas, you can combine that ideas using such a linking words. Now, don'ts of summary writing. Now, what you have to keep in mind, that what you have to avoid there. Include. Don't include your own point, your own opinion, your own example. तुमचं example स्वतःचं include करू नका किंवा add करू नका. Exclude means you don't exclude the soul of the passage. Passageचा मुख्य जो मुद्दा आहे तो सोडायचा नाही. Add. Don't do addition. I mean, don't add your own point there. Comment. You don't give your own opinion. Comment. You don't comment on that passage. Summary writing means not a comment, or you are writing a comment on what do you say that on that passage. एखाद्या passage वरची तुमचा स्वतःचा विचार लिहायचा नाही, comment करायची नाही. And even you don't add examples. These things are most important. In short, if we have to tell that, if I explain to you there, don't add your own stuffing. स्वतःचं लिखाण काहीही त्यात add करायचं नाही. Points to write summary. Now, whenever you are writing summary, keep these all points in mind. Write a summary in short. So many students have a habit to write a so lengthy type of summary writing. And this is they are habitual of that. And they stuff many things of their own. No, summary writing in short. In short means how many words? Write it in 50 to 70 words. 50 to 70 words means almost write in 5 to 6 lines. 5 to 6 line of what does? 5 to 6 line means one sentence is a one line. Second sentence is a second line. Third sentence is a third line. So sentences 5 to 6 line means 5 to 6 sentences should be there. Write a short paragraph. Short summary means short paragraph, no lengthy, only one paragraph, and it's very short paragraph. You are just combining their main ideas together and forming a sentence. फक्त मुद्दे तुम्ही एकत्र करत आहात आणि एक वाक्य तयार करत आहात, and that is meaningful sentence with the help of linking words. To summarize passage according to the main ideas provided in it. And how are you summarizing passage? According to the main ideas. दिलेल्या मेन आयडियाच्या आधारेच तुम्ही पॅसेज काय करत आहात त्या ठिकाणी समराइज करत आहात. Listen, I'm telling you again and again here that so many students have a habit to write a so lengthy passage. We have seen that in whenever the children write summary in board paper, that they write in this way. No, summary means you write a short passage there. Okay, keep in mind. Now, how to present it there? Yes, you write title there. Title, how can you find title? Yes, whenever you read passage, you come to know that the passage is about and so subject. For example, suppose nowadays what you can say, nowadays that we all are facing a pandemic, that COVID-19. So suppose the information is about and COVID, passage is about and COVID-19. So what will be your title? COVID-19. Okay. Now summary with the help of given points. Whatever the points are discussed, suppose in that passage is discussed about that and precautions, are there reasons, what causes, what is the reason that that diseases causes there. So such a kind of points are there. So you take out the points and form that. Or instruction provided in the question. Yes. Summary. How to write summary? Summary with the help of the given points. You will have might be that in the examination you will provide points, or sometimes that with the help of that points you have to develop a summary. Points are given and you have to develop summary means you don't write very lengthy summary. Whatever the instructions I have given to you or explained to you, that much within a 50 to 70 word you explain these points, not more than that. You read passage carefully and focus on that given point and write the summary. Instruction provided in these questions. Whatever the instruction is provided to you in the question while you are writing summary writing. So read that carefully and according to that you write the answer. तुम्हाला दिलेला प्रश्न आहे, प्रश्नामध्ये जे एक्झॅक्ट प्रश्नामध्ये विचारलंय त्या विचारलेल्या माहितीनुसार तुमचं समरी रायटिंग झालं पाहिजे. Now here I am presenting you a one paragraph there. I have taken this paragraph from Google. It is about what? Write a summary on what can be done to overcome social ills among our young. की या ठिकाणी असं दिलेलं आहे की या पॅरेग्राफ मध्ये की आपण समाजातील ज्या काही म्हणजे की मुलांमध्ये जे मुलं तरुण मुलं आहेत त्या तरुण मुलांचं समाजातलं जे चुकीचं वागणं आहे ते आपण कसं कमी करू शकू याच्यावरचा हा पॅरेग्राफ आहे. This is a so big paragraph, so you can read it that when I'll post this on this video, you can, by stopping that video, you can see this video. Here, what is that? The passage is about a very big passage is here given to you. Now, what is the summary of it? That before that we see the summary, that what are the instructions are there, and according to that instruction, that passage is there. Short summary is there. Now see that your summary must be not be more than 60 words, including 10 words. Including 10 words means what? That sometimes in the question you have to be provided. What you have to provide? Begin your summary as follows. बऱ्याचदा तुम्हाला 10 शब्द प्रोव्हाइड केलेले असतात. म्हणजे तुमचा समरी या वाक्याने सुरुवात करा. To overcome social ills among the young, everyone has. Now already you have provided these 10 words. So including these 10 words. So that win more than 60 within a 60 words you can write that. Being continuous writing there. No, not no note form. So the continuous writing पाहिजे, note form नको. Be written in one paragraph. Write in one paragraph. You don't make that 2, 3, 4 paragraphs. Use your own words as far as possible without changing its original meaning. तुमचे शब्द वापरा, पण त्या दिलेल्या पॅसेजचा अर्थ न बदलता. Means you have to write that. Okay, so you can take out main points. With the help of main points, you can frame questions and can write whatever. For example is here. See that I have not written a title here, but I have just given this passage there. See, to overcome social ills among the young, everyone has a role to play. The most important people are the parents. They must take a keen interest in teaching their children principles right from the start. Teachers too must help educate a child on what is right and wrong. They must be extra vigilant and report any misbehavior to the parents immediately. Now see that if you see that how many lines are there of words, sentences are there. See here. If you see the full stop, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So within a 5 sentence that we here we have I have presented you the summary writing. Actually, this is all from the Google source here. If you see in this passage, whatever that I have given here they discussed about that what are the precautions the parents have to take and the teachers have to take while they are dealing with the children there, and how to help the children, and how to create a social awareness among the children through guiding them there in this way that is discussed here. So you read it carefully. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. So please subscribe my channel, share this video to your friend,